Since 1954, we've been enabling technology for a better world.
Lesker!
Manufacturer and a distributor of scientific vacuum equipment and components. Our product's purpose is to provide a vacuum environment so that they can do their experiments or create their commercialized products in vacuum systems.
Not that kind of vacuum.
Vacuum technology is primarily the absence of environment. If you go into deep space, that is the absolute best vacuum that you can possibly achieve. It has no pollutants or contaminants that can get into any kind of material. Here we try to do it to a lesser degree. We try to create vacuums so that we can make pure materials. So really, by sucking all the atmosphere out of these systems, it allows us to put down or deposit pure materials so that they function correctly without interference from contaminants such as air, oxygen, nitrogen.
So our mission is enabling technology for a better world, and we feel that our products and services are helping to do that by providing the equipment and components necessary to create these technologies and develop these next generation ideas.
What's so cool about manufacturing is when you start out with a little piece of metal and then when you're done it ends up into something like this. This is what's cool.
We here in Vacuum Services do a lot of pump repair. We repair the pumps for vacuum chambers, and they are the heart and soul of vacuum application. This is a dry scroll pump, and it creates a vacuum by compressing the gas through the inlet. Two dry scrolls oscillate along each other and then compress the gas from the outside to the inside.
Without the manufacturing in current days, you simply wouldn't have the things that you've come to rely on and enjoy day in and day out.
That's what's so cool.
And that's what's so cool about
That's what's so cool.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.